So Kevin, there's so many places I can go to get an oil change. Why should I do it here?
3 words: factory trained technicians.
But it's just an oil change.
But oil is the lifeblood of the vehicle. There's nothing more important. You want that oil and filter changed by technicians who know and understand the workings of your specific vehicle.
Speaking of the filter, are those one-size-fits-all?
No, the factory or dealer oil filter is the only one that should be used. Any other filter is just a substitute and isn't engineered or designed specifically for your car.
And the only place to get the right filter installed by factory-trained technicians
It's right here.
So drop by anytime and see how competitively priced the right oil change is. Thanks, Kevin.